Today we're going on a very special nature walk. We are going to look for pine cones because we are going to do a pinecone bird feeder. So after we find the pine cones, we're gonna gather together and we're gonna tie a little rope around it so that we can then hang it on the tree and the birds can get to it. We're using sticks to create bird feeders as well, but you can use the pine cones, which is the main activity we're doing here. Using peanut butter for birds or regular peanut butter, using a spoon, we're going to scoop up the peanut butter and we're going to add it into the little creases from the pine cone. When it's done, we're going to go ahead and find the perfect spot, the perfect branch to hang our little bird feeders. As an option, you can go ahead and add a little bit of peanut butter into your sticks as well, and you can stick them throughout the tree. We love to add a little bit of bird food on top of it, some bird seeds, so that we sprinkle them on top and it's gonna get stuck into the little creases as well as into the pine cone. And that's it for our nature class.